Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel.
Hi everyone, today I want to talk about why I prefer to use CCI versus other indicators. Okay, when I first started trading, I learned these different indicators. Example, we have like stochastic, we have MA CCI, we learn RSI. These are the common indicators that I have. When I first started trading, I learned them. Okay, when I discovered CCI, I stick to CCI. Okay, today I want to explain or share with you why I prefer to use CCI versus other oscillators. So let's say right now we have a chart. This is the S&P 500 chart. Okay, from here we can see that the stock is going up. Okay, we have this part, the stock is going upwards. If I were to plot the RSI 14, okay, which is this line over here, it tells me that the RSI basically tells us that here is overbought. Okay, this part below this part is oversold. So if you were to zoom out, you can see market move from oversold to later part overbought. But frankly, I don't learn a lot about the stock. Okay, I just know that this part is oversold and this part is overbought, and really whether the stock what's happening to the stock right now, I may not know. Okay, same thing for stochastic. Stochastic, we have the typical setting for stochastic is 1433, so I plot 1433 over here, and again you can see from this chart it goes from oversold, okay, which is this part here, to overbought, and the setting is 14 also. Okay, so we have a 14 stochastic or 14 RSI. Okay, at the end of the day, what I learned about the stock is not very clear to me. Okay, but let's say right now I plot in CCI. I plot in CCI right now, and I change the setting to 5. Okay, the reason why I change the setting to 5 is because if I'm looking at 5 CCI, okay, I'm looking at 5 days, the last 5 days compared to the relative the statistical mean. Okay, 5 days. Okay, when I go into weekly charts, it means 1 month, so it's 1 week or 1 month. Okay, so from here, how I can read the charts is, if I were to go to here, I can actually see from here during this dip over here, which is on the 3rd of December. Okay, this dip over here on the RSI, you see that this dip means nothing. Okay, it doesn't mean that it's oversold, it just means neutral. On the stochastic also, it doesn't goes to oversold, it just means like it's slightly below neutral. But you see on the CCI 5 is already oversold. Okay, tell me that there's an oversold opportunity, which give me an opportunity to long. Okay, so this is on the daily chart, which I can use it, and these are recurring patterns that you can see, okay, on the charts, okay, whether when they are oversold or whether they are overbought. So let's say example from here to here, you can see the price move up, okay, and you can see times when it's oversold. Okay, times when it's oversold, this will give me opportunity to trade. Whereas let's say example I use the RSI 14, it's not able to tell me anything right now. Okay, so this is on the daily charts. It tells me 5 days whether it's overbought or oversold. Okay, and I change it to weekly charts. When I change it to weekly charts, it tells me exactly the same thing again. It can tell me whether it's oversold or overbought, but in a span of 1 month. The CCI number, I do not change it. I leave it as 5 still. Okay, but what happened over here right now is from the chart I can see where are the times when the price is oversold. Okay, to give me an opportunity to get in again. So here you can see the price dip below oversold. Okay, here it dips below oversold to give me an opportunity to get long again. Okay, with the trend is up. Okay, so you can see from the RSI on top, Okay, it doesn't go to oversold. Here, this one also doesn't go to oversold, whereas the CCI 5 already go to oversold on the weekly chart. So first thing first, I don't need to change any parameters. I just take it at 5. Daily charts, I will for 1 week, weekly charts for 1 month, I can just use the same parameters to tell me the move, whether in the 1 month, last 1 month it was overbought or oversold, or last 1 week was it overbought or oversold, simply. Okay. Second thing is also I prefer this is because I don't need to change any parameters. Okay, I can stick those parameters and just fix it. But else for RSI, stochastic, or even like MFI, momentum, all these things, there are so many parameters. I really don't know which parameters to use. Even when I use a stochastic, let's say example, if I change the RSI, okay, if I change the parameters of RSI into different parameters, let's say I change it to a 5. Okay, I change it to 5 parameters. It will not give me the exact result. Okay, sometimes it will give me, sometimes it will not give me the result. Say example over here, we can see if I change the RSI to 5, this part, okay, this part it will tell me oversold, okay, which is much later, okay, versus the CCI. The CCI actually tell me when it's oversold is when it was here, okay, versus the RSI, which is actually 1 day later. Okay, the second thing is over here, this part again, you see the CCI is oversold to give me an opportunity to get in, but on the RSI, even if I change the parameter to 5, it doesn't tell me it's oversold. Okay, so in my opinion, it's faster, it's easier to understand on this point of view. Okay, so this is my sharing with you all why I prefer CCI and changing a parameter to 5 on daily chart, weekly chart to tell you how to read the charts. Okay, if you want to learn more about the strategy itself, how I combine the 20 MA and 40 MA together with the CCI, you can look at my previous video to find out more. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. So if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.